Welcome to school, where memorizing is rewarding, but thinking is ignored. The whole education system doesn't teach intelligence, it teaches memory. And memory is not intelligence. A smart person can think, adapt, and create, but a person with just good memory, that's just a human hard drive. Memorizing facts won't make you successful. Understanding them will. Intelligence isn't about how much you remember, it's about how much you question. So the question is, are you learning to think or just learning to repeat? Memorization won't make you rich. Thinking will. The Future Millionaire's Handbook 1.0, available now on Amazon.